Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Android camera as a webcam. Using your Android phone as a webcam can significantly improve your video quality compared to most built-in laptop cameras. This is useful for meetings, streaming, or recording videos. In this guide, you'll learn how to use your Android camera as a webcam using Orion Webcam on both Windows and Android. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and Android phone. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Search for Orion Webcam. Download and install the app on your phone. Launch the Orion Webcam app on your Android phone by tapping Open. Then tap Dismiss. And now, once it is open, let's go to our PC. On your Windows PC, open a browser and download the Orion Webcam client. Install the Orion software on your PC. Open the Orion Webcam client on your Windows PC. Wait for the devices to connect automatically. Once connected, your phone camera feed will appear on your PC. Open any app like Zoom or OBS and choose Orion Webcam as the camera source. Adjust camera position and lighting for better quality. Start your video call or recording using your Android phone as a webcam. Tip: you can also connect your phone via USB for a more stable connection if Wi-Fi is low. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.